Hello, good morning, welcome everyone. Welcome to Bodhi Tree Story Time with Giulia. I'm just going to check if we are live and everybody can see. Then I'm going to wait a couple of minutes. Bear with me 1 second. Yes, very good. Yes, we are live. Oh, we have one person who's looking at us. Hello, good morning. Okay, fantastic. Welcome everybody, welcome to Bodhi Tree Story Time. So we have this week and next week, and then it looks like on the 1st of June, Bodhi Tree will open again. So we won't be doing any more stories, but we're gonna have 20 stories and 20 lesson plans. So they're all going to be linked in our Instagram, on our Facebook page, on my teacher Facebook page as well. Hi! We have stories on our website, we have stories on our YouTube channel, so they are linked everywhere. So if you ever want to know, if you have like 5 minutes to spare and you don't know what to do, you can always go on our channel, on our YouTube channel, have a look at the story, listen to a book, and then you can go and do a lesson plan with your children. And lots of these lesson plans, they are inspired by the Montessori curriculum. So some of them, they will teach you phonics, some of them they will teach you numbers, some of them will teach you sensory curriculum and activity of everyday living. So there's a little bit of everything. Today we're doing a science experiment. I don't know if you had a look at our post. I posted already a lesson plan. We're gonna do a Dinosaur X science experiment. It's very exciting, and I'm very excited because tomorrow is going to be 24 degrees. The sun is going to be shining, and it's a perfect time to play with water and play with ice. And we're gonna put some dinosaur inside bowls or cups or glasses. You need to be careful because they're made out of glass, and when you freeze glass it might just pop and break. We don't want that to happen, so we need to use some different materials. You can have a look at what materials you have around your house, in your kitchen. What materials can you put in the freezer which is not glass? Yeah, so we can try plastic. Yeah, maybe you can have some metal. Yes, and we can freeze well, let's read the story first, and then I'll tell you about it, how to make dinosaur eggs. Today's book is The Dinosaur Who Lost His Roar. And for this book, I need your help roaring. Are you ready? Is your throat ready? Okay, mine is. Let's see. The Dinosaur Who Lost His Roar. And we really love this book in the nursery. Look, it's been opened so many times. Oh, we're gonna need to start putting some sellotape soon. Yeah, making sure it doesn't break, because we really like this book. I see, like this you can see better. Yes, perfect. Let's read. Deep inside the forest lived a dinosaur named Sid. This is Sid. Roar! He always got into trouble for the noisy things he did. Spike was picking berries. This is Spike. He's picking, I think they are raspberries. I like raspberries. Sid crept like a cat. And he let out such a mighty... Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Roar! The spike got covered. Splat! Oh no! Spike lost all his raspberries. Oh dear me. That wasn't funny, Sid, growled Spike. The juice went in my eyes. Enjoy your breakfast, Sid replied. Who else can I surprise? Oh no, Sid is not very kind. Let's see what's doing next. Ross was standing by the pool to see what he could catch. This is Ross. And this is the river. Look, can you see fish? 1 and 2. When Sid let out a mighty, again, look. 1, 2, 3. Roar! Oh no, Ross is falling. Poor Ross went tumbling. Splash! Oh dear me. I hope you liked your swim, Ross. You'll dry out in the end. That wasn't funny, Ross replied. I thought you were my friend. Sid saw Ellie hunting eggs. He sneaked behind her back. This is Ellie, and she's looking for eggs. What is Sid going to do? He let out such a mighty roar. The eggs went flying. Crack! Oh no! An excellent surprise, laughed Sid. You just can't beat my roar. Oh, but when he went to bed that night, his throat felt rough and sore. Oh, do you ever feel like your throat is hurting you sometime? Especially if you do lots of roaring. Especially if you scare all your friends and you're not being kind, you might just get a sore throat, like Sid. But I'm sure you don't do like Sid. Sid is a little bit naughty today. Let's see what's gonna happen. The next day, Sid saw Spike again and went to play his joke. Oh no, he's ready to roar again. But when he tried to give a roar, what came out was a croak. Haha, Sid, you lost your roar. You can't scare me anymore. Oh no. Ross was balanced on a rock. Sid went to scare him off. But when he tried to give a roar, what came out was a cough, cough. Haha, Sid, you've lost your roar. You can't scare me anymore. Oh no. Sid tiptoed up to Ellie. But struggled though he might. No roar would come out, just a rasp. His throat felt oh so tight. Look, rasp. Oh no, he cannot play his joke anymore. Which is very good. I'm sure Ellie is happy. She's not getting scared today. Haha, Sid, you've lost your roar. You can't scare me anymore. Sid spent a whole week getting well, with honey and sweet tea. Oh, I wish I hadn't played those tricks. Now the joke's on me. Soon Sid felt fit to see his friends. I'll show them I'm not mean. But when he reached the berry bush, Spike could not be seen. Where is Spike? Oh. Ross was missing from his pool. Sid sensed that things weren't right. He spotted scary footprints and they gave him quite a fright. Oh no. Sid was getting worried. What would he come to next? Then came a shock. Beyond a rock. Who's that? Do you know who's that? Oh. Tyrannosaurus Rex! Sid hoped he had his voice back. But how could he be sure? He took the most enormous breath and gave a mighty... I really need your help here. This is a really, really loud roar. Are we ready? Take a deep breath like Sid. Ready, steady. Roar! Look at that! That was a humongous roar. Wow! The T-Rex headed for the hills. Oh, Oh, that's good. Sid scared the bad guy. Yes, very good. Sid's pal was safe once more. Look, they're happy. 3 cheers for Sid the hero. You are the greatest dinosaur. Oh, look at that. Sid learned how to use his roar to scare the bad people, not to scare his friends. He should play nicely with his friends. Do you play nicely with your friends? I hope so. And what became of Betty Rex? Well, he was seen no more. Look, he's running away. He's still scared. I think we scared him very bad. He just kept right on running, still scared by Sid's great roar. Wow. And that was the end of the story. Wow, I hope you enjoyed it. I always like reading the dinosaur who lost his roar and roaring along with all the children. Yeah, it's always a lot of fun. So, I was saying that for today's lesson plan, we should make some dinosaur eggs. So go and take your binoculars. We always use our binoculars in many of our lesson plans. Yes, we take our binoculars. I don't know if you made some with toilet paper roll, but if you haven't, you can always make a pair. Otherwise, use your hands. Yeah, like that. Go and have a look. Go and have a look around your kitchen and find some bowls or some cups. And then go and look for dinosaur. You can find small dinosaur or medium-sized dinosaur or even big dinosaur. But then, oh, thank you, fantastic. And then once you gather all your dinosaur, go and put them inside your bowl and put some water inside. And now this water can be colorful. If you have some food coloring, you can make blue water, yellow water, or red water, or purple water. A lot of the children coming to Bodhi Tree Nursery love the color purple. So I'm sure they should go and have a look for some purple food coloring and make some purple eggs. Now, when you have your bowl, you put your dinosaur, you pour your water in. Maybe, depends by how old you are, but maybe you can pour the water by yourself. Yes. And then go and place the bowl inside the freezer and leave it overnight. Then tomorrow, take the bowl out of the freezer and then you need to crack open the egg. Yes. So if you tip over your bowl, your eyes will come out. And inside your eyes, there's your little special dinosaur. So go and find some tools like a hammer, or you can use salt water with a pipette. Yes, the salt water will melt the eyes. So go and have a look if you can find some nice, interesting tools to crack open the eggs. And once the egg is open, you have your dinosaur back. And then you can go and play some nice fun games. Enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the nice weather. I think this week is going to be nice and warm. And next week we're going to read Harry McLary from Donaldson Dairy, our last story, before we open Bodhi Tree Nursery again. Then I'm not sure I can do stories anymore. I'll do live stories for the real children at Bodhi Tree Nursery. Yes, we'll have a look. Maybe once a month we can do a story for everybody. Let's see. Okay, you go and have a fun day today. Go and enjoy, and I'll see you later. And send us a picture of your creations. And I would love to see the picture of your eggs. And you trying to crack the eggs open. That sometimes is a little bit difficult, and we need to wait until the ice melts. But hopefully the sun is going to be warm enough, and it's gonna melt very quickly. All right, children. Have a lovely week and enjoy and have fun, and I will see you all on Monday next week. Bye.